Mid ambulance definitely rotating.
Fuck, I just got a pop up. I can't hear shit.
The bomb has been planted.
In the corner, he just went pit. Behind you.
Dude, I literally couldn't hear anything. I got this fucking trailer, that bitch. Fucking unfriended.
I have a new message from X tries. I want to play threes with my
Dude, I'm not defusing. What the fuck? I got lagged out, bro.
Just keep holding X, bro. You're still defusing on my stream.
What the fuck? I'm about to record.
Great job. Get ready for the next round. Halftime. Search and destroy.
I don't know, but I'm going.
Destroy the objective.
What?
Oh.
They're fucking doing some fucking switch.
Got him.
School back lockers at the Jeep.
I fuck this. Oh, shit.
Good job. Get ready for the next battle.
I knew they were gonna run together. I had a feeling once I heard.
They're doing something, Scotty.
Oh no. No, you didn't.
Switching sides.
You gotta
There's two
cut
pieces
this
of
shit,
them.
man.
Search and destroy.
Wacker than tobacco.
Defend the objective.
What the fuck was that?
Aid.
Gosh.
Didn't see anything.
We lost that fight, but it's not over.
On my fucking screen, he went into hospital. What the fuck?
Switching
That's
sides.
just- Yes.
Search and destroy.
I'm still gonna snipe this cross.
Destroy the objective.
Yo, nothing cross B.
Nothing wrong.
There's always one that.
Right to my right, right to my right. There's one immediately to my right. Oh, he dipped back. He dipped back. Oh, okay.
Great job. Get ready for the next round.
Ignore this horrible snipe. I missed. See that bullshit? I keep getting bullshit with my sniper, bro. Like,
Switching sides.
well, see, your bullshit's lag. My bullshit is timing.
Search and destroy.
Of course, that motherfucker lays down when I go to snipe him. Like, what the fuck?
Defend the objective.
No fucking way they don't know I'm here. Even peek A, I got A.
Dude, they're not even leaving there. Oh, he's mid-hospital by ambulance.
Just walk down hospital and stay alive.
I hope I didn't get that, dude. I hope you got it.
I got the headshot.
God, man, I was literally pinned into a fucking wall, dude. Get off of this. Look at that fucking These guys shouldn't be allowed to play, man.
Looks like you just added a few
Yeah,
zeros
get
to those
put on
bonus
the
checks,
fucking
gentlemen.
shun list,
Good
all
work.
4 of them. IP ban for the G's. You guys
What?
cheated? No what?